Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So we are at a very important level, and you can see there it is there. And we did sort of touch it and then bounce off it. So that's 47.46. That is the previous swing high of the all-time high. So you can see we swung up to there, came back, and after that we had another high before falling down in January 2022. So you need to keep that level in the back of your mind. There is another level in that area, and let's just get there. So if you have a look here, you can see there is the level. Very important to pay attention to. Look at how many times we attempted that. And then you have pretty much in this zone, but it's a round number at 47. It's going to get right at 4,700. So you can see how many times we've tried to break through this zone back in November 2022. And we sort of kind of just, is it 2022 or is it 2021? 2021, sorry. So in 2021, that's where we tried to get through it, and then just broke through, and we had the horrible year last year before recovering this year. So at the moment, this market, we opened there in January, and we are up 22% for the year. And I suspect we are going to take out the all-time high here still this year. So let's just get down to the levels we need to be paying attention to. And starting off with the 8 hour, you can see there's a pullback onto 4,700, tested, buyers came in, and we bounced up. So we are ranging at the moment. This is a daily range bar, as you can see. There's our daily range bar. It is green still, which is important. So it's been green, exhaustion bar, a bit of a range bar. But it is still onwards and upwards. There's no two ways about that. So on the 3 hour, don't forget that's your cue. Just hit that like button for us. And 3 hour, you'll see sideways most of the day. Then we sort of moving to the downside, and your buying opportunity was at the round number 4,700. Didn't mention it yesterday. Hindsight being perfect science again. I was looking for a level and didn't really pay attention to the importance of 4,700. But anyway, very important number. This is a major milestone. If the S&P 500 can close above 4,700 today on the weekly, that is a fairly strong bullish sign, because that would be the area that I would expect us to come back and defend, or at least sort of be the pivot of deciding whether we're running or falling. So dropping down to the hour, yesterday was pretty much sideways. There was no structure to the left, but apart from the round number here. So inside bar, I reckon we're probably going to tag 47, 46 again today, but I'm going to treat this as a range. So let's just, sorry, I'm not going to move that level because we're just a little bit short of it. You can see there 47, 42, so we're just a little bit short of it. So I suspect we're going to tag that to the upside before flipping and moving back to the downside. So that's kind of my view at the moment. There is a second level here, and I suppose this is the one we need to pay attention to, 47.14. So any visit to 47.14, I'm a buyer. Alternatively, and this is start going to get really busy, I'm going to be looking for a move up and then build a base here at 47.25. Target at the moment is 47.46. If we break through 47.46, which would be interesting if we can do it today, so it'll give us a weekly close above the previous swing high for the all-time, just before the all-time high. So that would be very interesting, because that would give us more of a bullish stance as well. But nevertheless, I suspect we're just going to range, to be honest. I think we're going to range here for today and Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, expect us to rally, and then Friday, I think we will taper off for Christmas. Anyway, that's kind of my view on this for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.